Hello my friend, and welcome back to my home. Today we are doing a major declutter in our main living area as well as my office, which has totally been put on the back burner since basically we moved in here, which was back in October. It has kind of become the catch-all / drop zone area, and I need to get it decluttered and cleaned up. So that is the main focus today. But before we jump right into the decluttering motivation, I'm going to start off with some general tidying and cleaning that I have to get done. So I'm going to be doing my ripple effect chore, which is to make our bed. And then I noticed that some dusting needed to be done in here. So we're also going to tackle that. On top of all of the cleaning and decluttering motivation today, I am so excited to finally announce my 5K giveaway and how to enter. So make sure that you watch through until the end for some extreme motivation as well as the giveaway details. I previously mentioned my ripple effect chore. If you haven't heard of this term before, allow me to introduce you to it. A ripple effect chore or domino chore, like whatever you want to call it, is a cleaning task that you do to help inspire you to continue cleaning your home when you're just not feeling motivated. For me, these tasks include the things like making my bed and emptying and reloading my dishwasher. 95% of the time, if I complete those daily cleaning tasks, it can push me to do the rest of my cleaning to-do list. Again, despite feeling uninspired. Because truth be told, even though I am a professional cleaner outside of the home and I run a cleaning motivational YouTube channel, I too don't always have motivation to clean my house. Of course, my other favorite thing to do is put on YouTube, right? Grab the inspiration and motivation here from YouTube, which brings me to another question. What are, and who I should say, are your favorite YouTube channels? Leave them down below in the comments. Now that our bedroom is all tidied and cleaned up, I'm going to throw in a load of laundry. I love feeling like I'm getting more than one thing done, so while that is going, we're going to head into our main living area, and I'm gonna first just kind of tidy the space up, then we are going to start decluttering in here. We are tackling all of the drawers today, and so I know that looking at this, it doesn't look like super cluttered, but it's what's in the drawers that is cluttered, so that's what we're gonna tackle. Speaking of decluttering, I mentioned in my last video, but I am so excited to be launching my decluttering and simple home guide. I've been wanting to do this for over a year, and I'm finally doing it. It's something I get asked for, and it is something that I have actually wanted to do for a long time. So I'm really excited to be not only launching that, but giving 2 of them away. I would love for you to pick one drawer in your home right now. If you are not up and cleaning along with me, go ahead, pick a drawer that needs to be decluttered and declutter it with me right now. Let me know in the comments what you're tackling, and if you want to send me the before and after photo on Instagram, I would love to see it, which leads me into my giveaway and the rules. So this is a subscriber only giveaway, so make sure you are subscribed. That's number 1. Number 2 is to like this video and leave a comment on each video that I post here in February. There's going to be about 4 of them total. Number 3, join my email newsletter. I promise not to spam you. I send about 1 newsletter a month, so you're not gonna get spammed. And in it, I do include a lot of recipes and motivation and just tips, tricks, all kinds of things. The link for that will be in the description. This giveaway is open to Canada and the US, and it is not sponsored by any social media or platform. And that is all that you are required to do. If you wanna earn additional entries, you can earn 5 entries 2 different ways. Number 1 is to send me that before and after photo I was just telling you about on Instagram of your decluttered space. from watching one of my videos. So how exciting. Second one is share one of my YouTube videos to your Instagram stories and tag me. Just note, if you do have a private account, you have to DM me a screenshot in order for it to count, or I won't see it. Each one of these will get you an additional 5 entries, and you can do it as many times as you want. The winner will be announced here on my YouTube channel. And remember, this will run through the month of February. So good luck, and remember, there will be 2 winners.
Oh damn, I've been feeling something for you lately, and I am trying so hard to just stay cool. Oh man, I think I might be going crazy, 'cause all I really, really want is to be with you. And I'm saying we're just friends, but thinking you're my man. And baby, if you knew, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, and I cry when you're not around, because it matters, dreaming of your kisses in the nighttime, knowing what I'm missing, but I'm still like, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm fine, but I'm scattered, we're just friends. Oh no, I don't wanna be the one with answers, because I sure don't wanna know which girl you choose. And no, the thought of her being a private dancer, it's just a little too much for me to chew. But I'm like, I say that I'm alright, but cry on the inside.
I've been using this red light to help with my eczema and skin issues, and it's been helping tremendously. I'll link it down below, but if you haven't heard of the benefits of red light therapy, I want to encourage you to do a little bit of research on it. It's pretty incredible. So you will notice there are a lot of electronics in this area and these drawers, and this one is for my kids' kind of electronics. So things like their play cameras, their doodle boards, and other fun activities that we either limit or that they can't do alone. I just put the red light on top as that's kind of where I use it, and it's functional for us to have it here. Now that I've gone through each drawer and basket and decluttered it, we move on to dusting and cleaning the area. You will notice I'm not doing any like major cleaning, as the #1 focus is decluttering. So just allow yourself some grace and know that decluttering takes time. Your home didn't get cluttered in a day, and it won't be decluttered in one day.
will always be the best days of my life. My life. There I fell in love, held her hand, kissing while we painted hearts down in the sand. The sand, yeah. Can you remember when we were young and free, like queens up on a throne? Never surrender, we're having too much fun. Could feel it in my bones. I was never alone, never alone.
When it comes to decluttering my office, I have to apologize in advance. I get asked often to show this, but due to privacy and security reasons, it's difficult for me to show a lot of it on the internet. On top of that, just like, don't judge me. This is a judgment-free zone, so I just had to preface this by saying that. We moved into this house in October, and naturally my office has become the drop zone and dumping ground. Have a look for yourself. It's so bad. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm sharing this on the internet. But I share this to be real with you, and I promise to always be authentic and again, keep it real on here. So as you can see, my office desk has become totally trashed. The closet is trashed, the floors are trashed, my filing cabinet is, yeah, you guessed it, trashed. This is my workroom, and I run multiple businesses, but I'm tired of it being a state of chaos. So we're doing the hardest part first for decluttering, which is that donation run. I got my husband to move those TVs to our crawl space, which were for my old computer. I put all of the recyclables into the recycle bin. I organized my filing cabinet off camera, again, due to privacy reasons. There's just a lot of paperwork, and our address and personal information for not only me, but for my clients is on here. So again, I can't show that. So now we move on to the first step to any decluttering project as we tackle the office closet, and that is to empty it out.
I feel like I'm out of my mind, but I know I can't deny you. I am so alienated, sitting on planet X. I'm becoming the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. Never hit the brakes every time you touch me, babe. You send me right out into space. You send me right out into space. Right into space. I'm not the kind of person who is sentimental. This thing is making me soft, giving into my damn heart. It feels like I am losing my grip, going crazy. 'Cause this doesn't make any sense. You're broken down all my defenses. No way back to the old me. When I'm stuck here on planet X, I'll become the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next.
I ended up working on one side of this closet at a time as it was very overwhelming to me, hence why it has got put on the back burner. But now that that side is done, it feels really good, and a lot of the stuff that was in here was from my office in our other house. And during the move, I just didn't have time to do the declutter that I wanted to do, and I'm just getting to it now. Then I went ahead and made space on the floor there for my rainbow vacuum, which probably takes up half of this closet. Between the machine itself and all of the attachments, it takes up a lot of space. So now we're working on emptying this half of the closet to make room for what is staying. And honestly, I am just trying to create a more functioning area here and again, keep the clutter at bay. So hiding majority of the stuff behind the closet here.
I feel good. I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes every time you touch me, babe. You send me right out into space. You send me right out into space. attraction, lovers in action, yeah. One of us is gonna get hurt. You got your madness and I'm good at
I finally made the switch to a MacBook as they're known to be very powerful for editing purposes. I'm loving this more minimal setup here, and I find that my desk just doesn't look as cluttered with one screen compared to two. And a little update on my office chair. I've had it for a few months now and I absolutely love it. It is so comfortable, super affordable, and it looks great. Lastly, don't forget to enter my giveaway. Remember, all you're required to do is subscribe, like and comment on the long form videos posted here in February, and join my email list. That's it. Again, the link will be down below in the description. You can get an additional 5 entries by sending me your before and after decluttering photos and for sharing and tagging me in one of my videos on Instagram. Good luck with the giveaway. Thank you so much for being here. Make sure that your bell is on so you're notified when I post my next video. And if you are still needing some extra motivation, check this video out here. That's all I have for you for now. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.